Hey guys. Hey guys. Hey guys. Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Damn it. Can't do it. Hey guys. Today we're unboxing this. This is the Cooler Master V1200 Platinum power supply. Now this thing has got enough power to power everything. Yeah. Alright, as you can see, this has got Japanese capacitors. One of my friends said those capacitors are more stable and more strong and more better than everything. And this has got a 7-year warranties also. As you can see, they brag here with their Japanese capacitors. These capacitors just has a longer lifespan. It's got silent fans and a 7-year warranty. Over here you can see that this is not a modular power supply. Hopefully. This is not a modular power supply, but it has black wires, so it'll go nicely into the chassis and not be so visible. So there you can see it's got all the plugs you need for graphics cards, even a floppy drive port that in these days maybe will work on a card reader or something like that. So let's get this out of the box. Oh yeah, it's also got this little thing. Daar het my foon hierdie keer op die grond geval. Hierdie keer. Ek weet nie wat het gebeur met hierdie bracket nie man, hy is nou so los. Nu koop paper tech en gaming wat hom opgebring. Ek word beter goed. Met my sê wat ou. Koop het nou, ek het 'n massive channel. Okay, als daai is ook gerekord. Right, so as you can see here, it also has this little hybrid fan controller, so you can switch the fan with that little button. Let's open up the box and get this thing out of the box. Okay, so it's quite heavy to work with, but let's quickly get it out. Nice Cooler Master branding on the brown box. On the inside of the box you are greeted with a little pamphlet. Everything is nicely foamed, and this is a modular power supply. You get a bag full of different kinds of cables, and you decide what you want to connect. So these are nice bags that you can just nice bags to keep your cables in when you store them. Alright, this little box has got the hybrid fan controller, and inside here you've got a little back plate for your chassis. So this will fit to the back of the chassis, so you can switch the fan to auto or hybrid, and this will then be connected to the power supply. Inside this little box you've got a few cable ties and your 4 screws. Then we've got, as they would say, the star of the show. Here is the power supply itself. Comes in a nice bag. This is a use once bag. Afterwards you'll just take this bag and use it for something else. Nicely branded. Everybody loves a nice bag, and yeah, you can just put all those cables maybe in here, or your headset, headphones, mouse, whatever you want to store in that little thing. The packaging on the power supply is nice and sturdy, so it won't get any damage while it's been sent to you. Okay, on the bag that comes with it, it says that hybrid fan is intelligently switched on high temperatures only. So then this fan will be quiet and will only come on when the power supply is very hot. So this is the Cooler Master 1200, the V1200 Platinum. Very nice design. This is a bit longer than a normal power supply, so this won't fit in normal chassis. You'll have to have a large ATX chassis with gaming support. There you can see all the different connectors, and you can use them to connect only what you need. That's where you connect your hybrid fan switch, and if you switch it on, then yeah, the fan will be controlled when the temperatures are getting too high. And there you can see all the specs of this power supply. So this thing is 1200 watts, will be more than enough power for the average high graphics card. Yes, sir. This thing will have more than enough power for graphics cards and a lot of hard drives and everything you want to put into your chassis. So you won't have a power problem or power deficiency problem. When you install this power supply, you will see that when you fit the screws, if you put it this way around, the name will be right side up, and if you have to fit the fan to the bottom, again the name will be right side up. So on this side it's one way, and on the other side the other way. In the smaller bag that you get with, you get all of these cables. Alright, so all these cables is what you get in that bag. Most of them are the Molex connectors, which you will use for connecting fans or stuff like that. I don't know what else you use those for. This one has got a little plug for your floppy drives, or what you call it, memory card readers. These are the plugs for the SATAs, another one of those. Then in the big bag you get your main power cable, and that connects it to the motherboard, and also your VGA or your graphics card plugs with the 8+2 and the 3+2 and the 3+3 and all the pluses. And yeah, there's all your cables. Everything is in the box. PSU, PSI, MSI, anything you can think of, PCIe. This is all your options, and you will not have a problem connecting this power supply to anything. So that is the V1200 unboxed. Quite a heavy power supply, nice switch at the back, only one port. The fan itself looks like a very good fan, and even the mesh on this, everything looks good quality, nicely built, and yeah, a black power supply, so it will fit. And most chassis in any case has got a bay at the bottom, which you won't be able to see this in any case, but if you have to see it, it's at least something nice to look at. So that's it, that's the unboxing. Thanks for watching, and hopefully this gives you an idea of what you get when you buy this, and just how it looks and what is everything that's included in the box.